Welcome to this video on how to make money with AI by selling simple apps. Your expertise can become a sellable AI-powered app, built in minutes, no coding required. AI-powered apps offer a clear advantage over traditional digital products like ebooks and courses. They are built quickly using AI tools, require zero coding knowledge, offer recurring value through repeated use, and solve specific, tangible problems. The best app ideas come from your own expertise, frustrations, or daily routines. Identify a specific problem others are trying to solve. This could be in areas like finance, fitness, styling, or productivity. The product should be a single, outcome-focused tool. Focus on the transformation from the user's problem to a clear outcome. Your app is the bridge, taking their input and returning a useful, personalized output in seconds. You don't need to code. You need to describe what you want. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate a detailed technical prompt. A good prompt includes the app's purpose, target user, key inputs, desired output, and tone. Take your AI-generated prompt and paste it into an AI app builder. The process involves pasting the prompt, reviewing the generated prototype, iterating and refining the app's flow and copy, and finally, publishing your app with a shareable link. Before selling, test your app like a first-time customer. Share it with a few real people. This refinement is crucial for creating a valuable product. Test if the input is frictionless, the output is useful, and the result is worth paying for. Once your app delivers value, package it as a paid product. Choose a model that fits your audience, such as a one-time fee for simple tools, a subscription for recurring value, gated access for soft launches, or a bundled product for a value pack. You can sell your app through multiple channels simultaneously. Options include app marketplaces like Gumroad, your own simple website, sharing a private link with a password after payment, or directly through social channels like Instagram or LinkedIn. Sell the transformation, not the tool. People buy better versions of themselves. Focus on the vivid picture of life before and after using your app. High-converting content includes live screen recordings, before/after transformations, and user testimonials. One app is a product, but a handful is a business. Once you've launched one app, the process accelerates. You can build 5 to 10 apps per month with zero required overhead. Entering new niches expands your audience and compounds your income. You now have a complete, actionable framework. Identify a deep problem, build the app in minutes, sell it through the right channels, and scale by repeating the process. Your expertise is valuable, and AI makes packaging and selling it easier than ever. If you enjoyed this video, don't stop here. Hit like to support the video, and subscribe for more content on making money with AI and building apps. Stay updated with more AI money ideas, app builds, and practical tips.